Okay. We're making some montages of World at War Nazi soldiers. I guess. We're gonna show you guys this glitch that we figured out. But tons of people might know it. But he actually did figure it out. It is pretty funny, but we made it to round 12, but by doing it last time, but we had some technical difficulties and it screwed up. Okay, first a person needs 1,000 points. Okay, let's switch my friend. Player, seems like his name is going to open his door. Okay, you know how to do it. Okay, run. Oh, try this again. Take a few tries, it seems like. We did it, like, a lot. Are we in each other? No. Are we in each other? Nope.
I got up too fast.
Okay, now we're in each other.
It was.
We was in each other. Okay, nope. Why are we not doing this? Oh my god. Get in the corner. Okay, get back in that corner.
Now we are.
Okay, you see the ability of this glitch is where you're invincible and plus you can get the box if you want to. Just try not to make crawlers because those things kill you. That are so annoying. But you can't shoot if you're looking at their head. And his head's completely in my way. And don't throw grenades like my friend did.
Where'd it go?
I have no clue where it went.
Oh, over there. Good. Good.
That time we made an explosion. That's... I think we're out of each other. No?
Yeah, we'll have to get out of each other. Because I only have one gun, 2 bullets.
Okay, see that? First we're going to get one gun out of the box and get back in here so we'll have some ammo to do this glitch with. My friend bought Car 98. Got max ammo.
You should go on Google Maps for me and look up how far this place is.
Ray gun in my first try.
Hey Albert, do you know how far this place is from?
Wow, I got a ray gun in my first try. That's so awesome.
Hi, I'm over here.
Yeah.
That's Brewston Mills, man. That's way up the road there.
How long
we're
will
in
it
each
take
other.
you there?
About 2.5 hours.
But
really.
you can.
No,
You want to bet?
look it up.
Why are you throwing grenades?
Why are you
You're gonna get us
recording
killed.
it anyway?
See, look, we're still in each other, but it just doesn't seem like
Go
it.
all the way to the
What's the
corner.
scene?
Look, I can scoot up.
That's on the other
shoot
side
up.
of Preston County.
Dad
So
said it wasn't
I'm
that
in
far away.
About 2 hour drive.
Wait
How
until it's...
far?
Okay, that gives us the ability to shoot through.
Morgan, no, okay.
And you get some more
On the
ammo.
other side of Preston.
Don't shoot.
Well, I know how to get there.
This is for
That's where you gotta
PS3
call from.
and maybe Xbox. I'm not very sure. I have not tried. It might work for the PC too. I can't shoot. Now I can, but if I'm bent down. That zombie got a little bit closer to me. I might have accidentally killed myself. And I don't think we should have that gun for this because that's not a very good advantage either. Head Shrek. That's what it's called.
Make a wish.
I can't even see.
Alright? At your wish?
This completely sucks. I can't shoot. I can't shoot. Why? Oh. I didn't see that new picture. Okay, I guess we have to get back to this glitch again. Okay, I think we're in it. Get back in that corner. I don't think we can. We still in each other? What?
Because they want to record it and put it on
I
YouTube.
can't see. Your head's in my way.
It's not my fault my head's in it.
People. I wanted to look
Aim to the other way. Other one.
Huh?
Aim to the other door. Thank you.
He always says he knows where these two
Empty
places
the
are. I
other
need to do that.
Look at the other door.
That door?
This is starting to hurt my arm.
We're out of each other.
No, we're not.
Skip that.
Oh, he's on
I've been holding this thing for 6 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. That means you guys got to round 4 in 6 minutes.
They can't even kill us. I got a deployment! Oh my god, I got a ray gun and a deployment. What is it? What is it?
I don't know. It's not a good gun though.
There's a thing right here.
You're kidding. Can't shoot you if you're bent down. I mean, hanging out. He got a shot off double barrel, it seemed like. And he's getting the box again.
What is it?
I don't know.
Flames on.
That's alright. That's for close-ups. Use that for close-ups. Use your other gun.
Wonder if the flamethrower hurts you.
What? The flamethrower will hurt you if you get caught on fire, but that I don't think it'll kill us because we're in this glitch. No, I'm not very sure. Why are you shooting it? What? Can't see because your fat stomach. Fat big butt. Oh, why are we throwing grenades anyways?
Oh, you did.
And this might be the end of the video because I accidentally, I cannot see to shoot.
Huh. You're getting some points from these guys.
Get him down. Say like that, be
I'm
like,
trying to get points.
They're leaving.
if you like this video, comment.
Yeah, if you like this video, comment.
And we'll try some other glitches on other maps. And comment to which maps. And we might do some map glitches like multiplayer and stuff. So like and comment us. The last video I made was about Modern Warfare 3 somehow. It just randomly gave the enemy good glitch. Gave them armor. Or I couldn't even touch too nice to kill.
Browning.
9 minutes.
Let's get
10
out of each other.
minutes.
Alright, let's get back in each other. Alright, we're good.
You just want to end the video?
Alright.
Okay. Oops. Don't ask me why I did this. I can't shoot. Look.
If this video cuts out, we'll make it number 2.
Because we can only make 15 minutes. And we're going to see how long we can survive on this glitch. If you want us to make a next video, comment. Oh no, I'm not getting a Panzer shirt. I don't even know if I hit it. I can see through the fire. I shot it.
11 minutes.
What is that?
Double points, I think.
Next thing.
And you have to have 2 people to do this glitch. I got an M1 Grand. Why'd I get that? What is it? Man, you should have seen me and my friend. I had the MP40 upgraded with Thunder Gun last night. I can't kill it.
Oh, we died.